Okay, YouTube, we're fixing to do an unboxing. Fixing to do an unboxing. What we got here? This is what we've been waiting for. The mate 4. Well, not a mate, but a playmate 4. So we got a heat pack, still warm. That's a good sign always. This is the, this should be the Blizzard Radix. Let me see. Blizzard Radix. Oh, there she is. Oh, that baby, it's so cute. Look, Sarah, ain't she pretty? This is cool. Little baby Blizzard Radix. Hey, darling. How are you, honey? Hey. Get you out. Wow. It's got red eye. It's got an orange spot right there on the back, like a paradox thing. This is cool. Cool. She's just a little tiny thing. She ain't as big as our other one, but they're going to be together. Whoa, look at her, Sarah, ain't she so pretty? She's such a little sweetheart. Oh, it was a sweetheart. It was a sweetheart. Yes, it was. I will show Sarah. I will show Sarah. Whoa. She's trying to go somewhere. You quit running off like that. Whoa. She's everywhere, Mama. Whoa, baby. She is cute. That is for sure. Usually I will quarantine these, but I'm not this time because they do so much better when they're together. They have nest mates, so I'm going to put these together and see how they act. Bear with me a minute. Sarah, what are you laughing at? Alright, here we go. Whoa. There you go. Well, you can see that one is that big. And the other one is a little tiny thing. That one needs a few more mils in her. I can see through this snake. That is so cool. Let me zoom in and see. Yeah, you can see black stuff in there, like a heart maybe or something. Look at them little paradoxes on there. That is so cool. Where are you going? She's kind of scary. So this is a Blazing Blizzard Radix with some other hits. I don't know what exactly they are. And this one over there is the albino checkered named Sachi. So now we're gonna have to get a awesome name for this one. She's gonna be freaking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the paradox spot right there on the back. And some other, there's a few other strange spottings. Wow. Look at her. There's something about an all white thing. Yeah, look at that. Do you see that in there? Yeah, oh, sorry. You can see inside of the snake. That's cool. It's like a see-through. Hey, baby. Ain't that cool, Sarah? This one's all over the place. It's like, wow, and it's pink. It's like pink. Uh-oh. What kind of action we got going on here? Yeah, they're making friends with each other, hopefully. Well, I don't know if you can see in there or not. Yep, friends, not food. There should be no problem with them being friends. Let's see. Well, I can't see on here. Yeah, here she is. She's like, wow, what'd you do, Daddy? You put somebody new in here? It's only half the size. It's crazy. Crazy how tiny that is compared to this bigger one, but this bigger one was that same tiny size when I got it, so there they are. As they eat, they'll be packing on the grams. The grams. Look at that beautiful little head sticking up. Oh, so both of these are female. We're gonna have to get a male. There's Sachi. Sachi's smelling all the new scents and everything that's in here. You know, like, hey, where are you going? Where are you going, new friend? That's cool. That one's yellow and this one's pink see-through. Pink see-through and yellow. Which one y'all like better? Pink see-through or yellow? This is going to be awesome. Lots of interesting videos. I gotta put that name and all that stuff there. Yeah, this one's hungry. She's always hungry there. Sachi's like a bottomless pit. Hey Sachi, Sachi. Hey baby. Hey Sachi, over here, Sachi. Come on Sachi, come on Sachi. Look how big she is. She's over a foot long. She's like 14, 15 inches maybe. Yep, maybe 16 inches. Yep. Beautiful Sachi. And the noob. The new kid on the block out there. Come here, what you doing? Come here. That's gonna be awesome. Feeding time comes, I'm gonna have to have feed one and feed the other, feed one and feed the other, and watch them so they don't eat each other. Where is it? I'm glad I made it here alive and well. Been watching the tracking on it, and it said that it's out for delivery. It didn't ever say it's actually delivered. And it's been sitting out there for about probably an hour and a half. But it was well packed, so no problems, no worries there. Where did she go? I do not even see her in there. Oh yeah, that's there. She's all the way on the edge over there, way back in there. She blends in perfect with that rock because she's pink and see-through. Sachi, are you happy that you got a new friend, or you gonna be kind of upset? Look what she looks like. This is Sachi, the first one. She almost looks like a CGI animated cartoon. I can't believe them colors. Ridiculous. This does not look like something that would be real and alive. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at them. Look at them scales, how them scales go. Awesome. They change right after the vent. Is that cool or what? It's like the whole pattern changes. Sarah, that funny to you, sweetheart. Sarah thinks these are the funniest things ever. You see Sachi's going around, baby. Was that funny to you, darling? Well, I'm gonna let these two get settled in and get some food and stuff and offer, so Sachi's not hungry with a new snake smaller than her in there. I have to keep my eyes on them. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace, love, and happiness and all that good shit. Y'all know the rest. Those who know me well, and those who don't can go to where? I'm just playing, people. All right. Sachi, come on, Sachi. Sachi, come here. Come here, Sachi. Sachi, come here. Come hither. Come hither. Come hither. Sachi, come on. Sachi. Sachi. Most times she comes to me. Sachi. She's sitting there looking at me like I'm dumb. Not ha. That's a cute snake though. Alright people, Tyndall's out for now, but not forever.